Look at this view. Alright, we are continuing our journey straight ahead. It's more busier than I thought, but yeah, it's logical seeing that people are actually enjoying this. No. Hello. Alright. Let's see. To get you guys a better view of everything. A little bit of skipping there. Gonna send my wife also the pictures. She's gonna be jealous because she also loves seeing these things. So oh. Alright, let me check up on you guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We're already on the 30-minute mark, so that's good. Yeah, you can exactly see what I see. Good. Put you a bit higher. Oh, take over. Voila. Perfect. Now you guys can see what I also see. A little bit. Sorry for moving a little bit, but trying to correct it. I'm getting a new bag that will correct well, this basically, the view and everything. We are nearing the next checkpoint, which no, nope, I'm lying. We are nearing a view buoy. Do we want to see it? You can hear the birds, like, damn. Let's see. I do want to show you everything. Oh, sorry for the sound. So these birds are here. Oh my, look at this view. I like birds also there on that side. I don't know if you can see it, but around there. They're everywhere. Enjoying the weather as I am. Ah, damn. Whew. So we are halfway, because straight ahead you can see the hill where we were standing on. Am I right? No, I'm not. We are not on the that's the hill we were standing on. Most likely I'm pointing to something that you cannot see. Let me see. Let's see. Alright. I think it's trying to see. Yeah, it's right there. You can you have to zoom in, but it's right there, the windmill. So Okay. Alright, let's move. And my wife replied to me, "It looks awesome, but it's too hot." If only she knew. So for some of you wondering why I'm saying that in that kind of tone, it's because she lives in Indonesia. She does the videos there, and she loads them up as when she can on our channel. She's a very busy woman, and I don't want to pressure her. So the most of the videos you see me traveling around, hiking, and doing stuff like this. So yeah, but we are continuing. We are not on 50% yet. I thought we were. So I think I did 30 minutes about it, give or take. So keep in mind that the video will be longer. Most likely you already know that. If it's going to be longer than or approximately around 2 hours, then it's gonna be 2 videos. Because I don't want to go nuts, and I want to keep it still interesting for you guys. But don't worry, I do post these videos quite often, 2 or 3 times a week, so don't worry. Alright, we are continuing into the next area. We are going. Oh, okay. This is interesting. So, ahead you got 2 routes. Ahead you can see the hill, right? Yeah. So you see the hill. You can go in front of it on the right, or go left around it. The map says go around it. So who am I to judge, right? So we will go back to the route, the busy road. That's better. And then we continue. If I'll check for you guys. If you feel around this area, around this time, like your body is getting weak, stop, just get a shade or something like that, and drink water, or get a soda can. Do take your trash with you, of course, because that's an alert for your body to wake up that you need some fluids. Most of the time that's actually already too late, but we are going around it. Like I said, there's a route right there, but we are going to ignore it. Most likely I'm going to regret that because of the sound of the road, but okay. Later today I will be streaming, so you can already guess that it is Monday, Wednesday or Friday, but you're incorrect. I also sometimes do Sunday. It's Sunday for me today. So if you want to keep track of when this is recorded, it's on a Sunday. So I saw the news. I'm getting bugged by annoying flies. But I saw the news that these kind of plants are toxic. Not so much you can touch them, but it doesn't, poison you. Oh crap! Do I go this way? Let me see. No, I don't. No, I think we have to go this way. But do wash your hands afterwards if you have touched such a plant, such a white plant. because it's toxic when it comes into your body. It's actually one of the most toxic plants that exist in the Netherlands. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's hot. Say that a lot. Holy shit. Ooh. Oh, more people that are walking this road. Alright, let's see. They are walking that way. There are horses here. Let's not buck the horses and follow those people. You can actually open this. If you see wild animals here, leave them alone. I've seen some hideous jobs that has been done by people bucking them. They are in their natural form, natural area. Leave them be. I actually did not know that there were horses here. I think they are owned. So yeah. Just leave them be. There are like 4 of them. We are gonna follow those people. Oh, damn. So, fun fact is that these videos, these hikes, also a contribution towards my weight problem. I'm not, overweighted, but comfortable is another side. So this is really a testament towards my drive to lose weight. Don't worry, I'm also eating healthy, so don't worry. I'm trying to keep the videos as much unedited as I can, because you want to hear the surrounding sounds, the ambient sounds, like hearing the birds, people, stuff like that. And as you could hear, there are a lot of foreign people here, like German, Polish and stuff like that. It's not really weird, I think we have to cross that bridge. I think I'm right. Am I right? Yeah, actually we had to walk there, but because of the horses we could not. But yeah, we can cross the bridge over there, and we are reaching point 6 of the 9 of this route. I'm gonna... Okay. Congratulations, you can throw a stone. I don't know why people want to do that, but okay. Being power, I can throw this rock. It's my freedom. And how are you guys doing? Let's see. Oh, 64% of the battery. That sounds good to me. So in the other video, I had troubles with my iPhone cable because it's got like a broken cable connection. I ordered that, and it was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it never was delivered because it was delayed. It's gonna arrive next week. I'm like, oh dang it. Oh, fine. I think I don't need to cross this. Yeah, well, I do. right. This is not really the official path, but I do like it. I don't mind. Up. You know, sometimes you need to go off grid. Oh, from a distance, that would look like a big cat or something. I'm hallucinating already. This is really not the official path. Oh, I love it. Just going off grid, you know. And there's no like sticky plants or with thorns or something like that. I really don't mind going off grid. But if you want to, you know, stay on the grid on the other side, don't cross the bridge, just stay on the left side and everything is going to be fine. I think this is an official path because if you look at the ground, you can see slowly a path going that way. So, yeah. But the strong advice is have good shoes. That way you don't get in trouble or something like that. Now, I do have to say that these shoes are reaching its end of its life. Okay, thanks. I reached my 5,000 steps. Good. So I need to replace them, which is okay. I don't mind. They did their service. Oh, see, these are the plants. So when I'm home, I need to shower. Oh, gosh grief! I need to keep my hands up if I want to touch a chocolate power bar. You know, many people do not know about these plants, and if they do not wash their hands, they get very sick. So feel informed. Wait, these are not. They aren't. No, these are. Oh, wow, that's so difficult to see. Anyway, I can be saying bullshit things right now. It's totally possible. I'm gonna go here. Into the grass. See, here's a path. You can definitely see a path. So you see that people did walk this. Nice. Dun, dun, dun. I actually have no idea where we are. We are getting close to number 7, which is right ahead. Whew. Nice. Alright. It seems that we are getting deviated from our trajectory. Let's see. I need to be careful because I see. Oh, good grief. This is tricky because I cannot seem to continue here. Even though the route says it does go here. Because I have to continue straight ahead. Huh. Can I cross this? No, I cannot cross this. Okay. Do we go straight or go? We stick on this road. Let's see. Verboden voor wandelaars. Oepsie. Yeah. Apologies towards the state. But to be fair, they did not really think that through at the other side. So I was forced to continue or just go back. I hope those people can get out as well. They were not smart to follow me, but oh well. I do need to retie my shoes a little bit. Right, let's continue. So the reason that was shut down, basically. Oh, do I still in me? Yeah, I do. Okay. So the reason that I had to, that it is shut down, is that in 2021 we had a big water disaster here in the south of the Netherlands, in Limburg, in Providence, and the river situation changed here. So the government was like, okay, this is a dangerous area to walk in for hikers. My advice towards the hikers is it was not towards the hikers, towards the government. It was not proper warned, and there was no alternative route. If they would like place a board or a sign at the bridge, I would have continued right straight ahead. So yeah, that happened. So if the government wants to call me about that and give me a fine, I'm totally taking it, because I know I was wrong, but I do want to see the understanding of the government that they were also not fully informing hikers about this. So don't do this. If you see something like that, now that I think about it, it might be as best to go back. But with this heat, I take the mental choice to continue. And I've seen that other people also have taken that route. So that means that people are not understanding the signs that were given at the other side. So yeah, it's shitty. It's an adventure, but it is trespassing, and I know I was wrong. So I am going to drink a little bit. This is not sponsored, but I do like Fanta. But I need my drink. It is about I think 34 degrees or something Celsius. I think, I'm not sure. Okay. Whew. Sweating. Big time. Yeah. It's kind of in my stomach. I did not throw it on the ground, just for the record. I will got it in my side pocket. But it still bugs me that the government did not, close that area proper, because it gives the idea, the indication that you can still enter it. Kinda. Yeah, I know. Like people will say, "There's like, yeah, you see the fences." Yeah, but it seems that people still cross it because fences could be were able to pull down. So it's just how you look at it, I guess.